Hi guys, in this video I'll walk you through the steps to make a modern honeycomb shelf. First, I use a lumber that is between 3 and 4 inches wide. I cut the lumber at a 30-degree angle on my miter saw. I place the stopper so I can ensure every piece will be the same size. I take the lumber I initially cut, I then cut it again at 30 degrees and continue the process until I have 6 identical pieces. Once the pieces are cut, I place them in a line side by side with the inside face down. I then take tape and tape the pieces together. Then I flip all 6 pieces and add wood glue between each piece. Don't forget the space at the end. Now it's time to connect it all together. Go slowly on this step so the glue has a few seconds to bond the pieces. I set it aside for a few hours so the glue can dry. Next step is to add wood filler to the cracks and gaps. Once the wood filler dries, you're ready to sand it with a fine grit sandpaper. After wiping the dust, I put a coat of polyurethane to give the shelf a finished look. This is a technique you can use to add style to your shelf. Add the tape along the edges of the shelf and spray paint the inside with the color of your choice and remove the tape before it dries. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more DIY videos. And that's how you reno for less.